बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा। Welcome to I'm Nazir Ahmad, your guide on this journey to mastering English language. Whether you are here to brush up your English language, would you like to improve your English skill, would you like to improve your vocabulary, would you like to improve your fluency, would you like to improve your grammar, you are at the right place. You know that English is just not a language, it is a key to open the door of opportunities and success. English is an international language, that is why we have to learn English to understand the culture and communication with each other. And my goal is here to make English accessible, enjoyable and most effective for all of you. In this channel you will be able to learn English speaking and listening skill, fluency, pronunciation, grammar and vocabulary. The most important is grammar. When you are able to learn grammar, you can easily learn English language more than just lessons. This is a community channel. The learner all over the world can support and help each other. Whether you are a beginner, intermediate or advanced learner, you can join this channel. Thank you for choosing English with Nazir Ahmad. Goodbye.